Let's talk today how you can have a better relationship with your parents, because I know that there are a lot of people out there who have some tension within the family, whether that's with their mom or with their dad. So let's get started. First of all, understand that your parents come from a different generation, that their vision that they have for your life might be completely different than the vision that you have for your life, because they grew up in a completely different time and they might have also grown up with different values from yours. So whenever your parents give you advice, think to yourself, your parents are telling you is aligned with the vision that you see yourself going with. Even if your vision aligns with the vision of your parents, just take a moment and think to yourself whether they have the knowledge that you're looking for or the experience to guide you correctly. Since they grow up in a different generation, it's sometimes hard to actually take their advice. But regardless, always listen what your parents have to tell you and then make up your own mind if you need this advice or not. It doesn't only go with your parents, that also goes to anyone who gives you advice. Because most of the time, you know yourself what's best for you and you don't need advice from anyone else. So when somebody gives you advice, think to yourself, do I really need that advice? Do I want to follow this advice, or did I already make up my mind? Personally, for me, when I talk to my parents and, for example, my mom gives me advice, of course, I will listen to what she has to say, but then I will decide later on whether I will use her advice or not, because I am perfectly aware that she comes from a different generation. So the way she lives life and the way she views life is also completely different from the way I live life. Second of all, respect the role your parents play in your life. Neither your mom nor your dad are your best friends, because whether you want to hear it or not, there is a certain hierarchy and your parents will always be above you, because they also came onto this planet Earth before you and they saw the sun earlier. You need to have a certain level of respect towards them and understand that maybe there are some times where you don't want to share everything with your parents, and it's totally fine, because your best friend is your best friend that grew up in the same generation as you did, is also probably the same age as you are, versus your mom. Your mom is not your best friend. You can have a very close relationship to your mom and understand that you are not besties, because once you're besties with a person, you put them on the same level, versus your mom, she will always be above you on the hierarchy. So you always need to have that certain level of respect to her. And just because you have respect towards her, it doesn't mean that you can't be open with her. I'm very open with my mom. I have a very good relationship with her and I also tell her a lot, but I can distinguish what I tell to my mom versus what I tell to my best friend. Third of all, accept that your parents are human too. Just like you live life for the first time, your parents also live life for the first time. That also means that just because they are your parents, it does not mean that they can do any mistakes. Just like you do mistakes, just like you will do mistakes, whether you will be a mother or a dad, that's the same way how your parents do mistakes. And accept your parents for who they are. Don't try to change them. Just accept them with the flaws they have. Your parents are perfect in the way they are, and it's pointless to change them. You'll never be able to change someone, just like no one is going to be able to change you. Your parents might have a different vision for you. They might have a different image of who they want you to be, but they will never be able to change you, because you are the person who you grew up to be. Whether that's the environment you surrounded yourself or whether that's how you decided for yourself that you want to live life. And same goes for your parents. You will never be able to change your mom or your dad. So the best thing you can do for yourself is accept them for who they are and live with it. And of course, there might be situations that they don't handle perfectly, or they might even handle more emotionally. But when you understand that your parents can also do mistakes and they're human just like you are, you will take it way easier when you see that maybe a situation escalated and they didn't act in the way you wanted to. You will have such a relief by understanding, okay, Besides them being my parents, they're simply human too. Number 4, separate their expectations from your own path. It might be very likely that your parents want a certain vision for you and they want you to live life in a certain way that they imagine based on the way they grew up, based on their values. But I'm here to tell you that just because your parents have a dream for you, it doesn't mean that you cannot follow your own dreams and your desires. Because your parents want you to go one path, it doesn't mean that you need to follow it if you disagree with it. Because if you do what your parents want you to do, first of all, you're not an adult, you're putting yourself in a child position. And second of all, you will never be truly happy and satisfied with your own life. All the decisions you are taking in your day-to-day life should align with what you want. And once you have a vision, you should also execute it. Vision with no execution is simply a dream. Best advice that I can give you is obviously to listen to your parents. Your parents want the best for you regardless. However, you should always listen to yourself. You are the closest person to yourself that you will ever have. So whenever you have a dream, whenever you have a passion, you should pursue it no matter what, because you are living this life. The moment you start to do everything what your parents want you to do, all the dreams your parents have for you, you're not going to live your own true happy life, but you're going to live a life that your parents imagine for you. And that's completely different. Number 5, and this is a very, very important point that I want you to carefully listen to. Never get involved in your parents' relationship. You are not romantically involved with your parents. They chose each other to be romantically involved with. It means that you don't need to choose sides. Am I going to be on my mom's side or am I going to be on my dad's side in case they have a fight? Their miscommunication is their own problem. It is not your problem, and it is definitely not your responsibility to fix their issues or pick sides, because you are a product of both your mom and your dad. You shouldn't favor your mom or your dad based on who you're closer to or based who has an issue and told you about it, because their problems, their misunderstandings, it is their issue, it is not your issue. So what you should do is focus on your own relationship that you have with them rather than trying to fix their dynamic. Because I already said it and I will say it again, you did not choose your parents romantically. They chose each other. You chose them as your mom and your dad. So always operate from the position that you are their daughter, their son. Never have to pick sides. Number 6, always listen to your parents even if you disagree with them. Have you ever found yourself in situations when your parents tell you something and you just don't want to listen to them? You basically just want to shut your ears and don't even talk to them. But trust me, even if you might not agree with them, just hear them out. You have nothing to lose if you just hear them out. At the end of the day, you always need to understand that your parents want the best for you. Even if your dad or your mom expresses something harshly to you that might hurt your feelings, if you understand that they want the best for you and maybe they don't know how to perfectly express it, you will also not feel this anger or frustration. And I'm not saying that you need to bottle up all the negative emotions inside of you. Simply listen to them and still disagree. And if they ever tell you something harshly or in a way that you don't appreciate, you should just be an adult about it and tell your dad or your mom very calmly, hey, I really did not appreciate that you screamed at me. I did not appreciate that you told this to me angrily. I did not appreciate that you told this to me so harshly. Because sometimes when I talk to my own mom, and my mom is like Russian, and I don't know if you guys know, but like Slavic women, they are very strict and very harsh. And sometimes my mom tells me something and I'm like, Mom, that hurt my feelings. But I can literally tell her and she will even apologize and she will tell me, oh, I didn't mean it in that way. You know, I want the best for you. You confront your parents and tell them, hey, this was too much, or I did not appreciate that you told this to me in such a harsh way. You will realize that you will have a way better relationship with them because there will be no misunderstandings. However, if you are talking to your parents and then you already get so angry and frustrated inside of you, but you don't tell them about it, maybe they might not even know that they told it to you harshly. Sometimes you might talk to a person and you think to yourself, okay, I told them normally, but this person might interpret it that you told it to them in a very harsh and strict way without even realizing it. So then you continue your life and then suddenly you realize that you have a tense relationship with them, but you don't understand what the problem is because they never confronted you, did not appreciate it. So whenever it comes to talking to your parents or to your friends, if you don't like something, just confront them right away, because like that you will solve all the misunderstandings in a second and you will not bottle these negative emotions inside of you. Number 7, always express gratitude that you have for your parents. You might not realize it, but your parents have done actually a lot for you and you should truly appreciate it. Honestly, if it wouldn't be for your parents, you would most likely not be where you are today. So always show appreciation and gratitude. Once I started to be more grateful for all the things my parents do for me, I started to have such a better relationship with them. I even realized for myself that the relationship I have with my dad grew so much closer over the years, because I started to appreciate all the things that he's doing for me and I didn't just start to take them for granted. Never take anything for granted in life. Anything that is happening for you is always a blessing. All the things your parents are doing for you is a blessing. The least that you can do is be grateful about it for the lifestyle that they are providing for you. You would most likely not even have the opportunities that you have. You are very privileged and you should know that. Last point, appreciate them while you can. Life is short and you will see that one day you will not have them around anymore. So cherish the time that you actually get to spend with them. When your parents call you and tell you, hey, do you want to come home? Do you want to go with us to vacation together? Say yes. You never know when it might be the last time that you are going to see them. So always cherish the moments that you have with your parents, because these moments are valuable. And later in time, you're also going to realize it. Just know that no matter what relationship you have with your parents, they truly love you. And if you haven't called your parents today, make sure to do so. You know how good they will feel if you call them, if you catch up with them. It makes any parent feel good when they know, when you call them and show them that you care about them and their well-being. I hope you love this video and that you learn how to have a better and closer relationship with your parents. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.